My unforgettable moment. The moment when I want to go to college. That I was very sad because I would be far away from my mom and my sister. When they took me to the airport, I saw the face look sad, but they didn't really show me their sadness. After I got on the plane, I was sad remember the times when I was still with my family that in the end I would be far from them. Then the plane arrived in Jakarta. My uncle picked me up, headed to his house in Depok directly. While waiting for college to enter, I stayed there with my uncle. A few days later, my uncle and I went to look for a boarding house nearby Uki because tomorrow I would have PPKMB so that it is not too far from the campus. After the next day, I went to campus at 5 in the morning. I saw a lot of new students there. We all gathered with our respective group. There I had a new friend in the group. I was very happy because the PPKM activities were fun, though sometimes made me tired. After the PPKM finished, I returned to the boarding house. Then I went out to buy food. After got my food, I went back to the boarding house and ate the food that I bought. Then I called my mom and told for a while and I went straight to sleep. So this is one of the moment in my life that I will never forget. Thank you.